Hydrilla is an invasive plant species, one of the most aggressive in the world. It was discovered in the Cayuga Inlet in 2011.
It really does have the ability to completely outcompete native vegetation.
James Balashak is the Hydrilla program manager for this lake's infestation. He says the plant is so successful that it can grow up to an inch a day, and it multiplies like nothing else can.
It's very pervasive, it's insidious, it's able to spread very quickly by a number of means.
Hydrilla can grow new plants from fragments broken off of its brittle leaves and stems, as well as from specialized root structures called tubers that lay under the sediment.
The tuber is it's kind of like a little hibernation seed. It can stay dormant underneath the sediment for years and years at a time.
This is a sample of Hydrilla that was found recently along the Fall Creek area. It has long stems with whorls of small and serrated leaves, usually in groups of 5. Since Hydrilla was discovered here 3 summers ago, the Hydrilla Project has worked towards their goal of completely wiping the plant and its tubers from its known locations in the Cayuga Inlet, Fall Creek, and Stewart Park. They have applied 5 herbicide treatments in their 3 seasons of operation and are seeing tremendous results.
We had peer reviewers from across the country. These are, nationwide experts and professionals in the field. They were very impressed with the results that we've gotten.
Although the project adheres strictly to state legislation on how much herbicide may be used, the process does create water use restrictions. The group uses 2 different herbicides in its control effort. The first requires a 1-day ban on swimming and water sports. Both types make the water unsafe for growing plants for a short period.
There are irrigation restrictions, not wanting to use it 1 week after a treatment to irrigate any plants or nursery, if you're growing vegetables or nursery plants or anything like that.
However, if the plant were allowed to grow unchecked, it would rapidly alter the ecosystem and could spread to the other Finger Lakes and the Great Lakes on boats and waterfowl. Reporting from Ithaca, this is Jenny Zdrojewski.